Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in GetWala platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates and informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on GetWala platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. If we talk about today's important update, then Coal India Limited announced their third phase provisional selection list based on the Gate 24 scorecard. So this is the third provisional list. Two list is already out, and the cutoff is also really surprising because already the two list out, and in the third list the cutoff is dropped compared to the first two lists. So if we talk about the this particular list, so those students who shortlisted, they need to go for DV. You need to carry this all the document mentioned here, and DV dates are also mentioned according to the list. So here you can check mining these students shortlisted. If your name in this list, congratulations to you. Mining general cutoff 572, OBC NCL cutoff 461, SC cutoff 344 or ST cutoff 282 is there. Similarly, if we talk about civil discipline, then for management trainee, 16 February 2026 is your DV date. 10 am is the reporting time. This is the list of candidates who shortlist. So complete list is available. Those students who shortlisted. So if we talk about the like complete total total student shortlist, then total 58 students shortlisted in civil. In the third phase, civil general 779 is the gate cutoff, OBC NCL 752, SC 632, ST 615, AWS 763 and PWD 297 is the cutoff. If we talk about next, then here you can also check the total candidates shortlist in a like for the in a electrical branch. So total electrical branch list is also there. So approximately 75 plus students shortlisted. So total 76 students shortlisted for electrical general 635, OBC NCL 591, SC 459, ST 407, EWS 595 and PWD 3101 is the cutoff. Similarly, for mechanical discipline, you can check the complete list of candidates who shortlist is available here. So the total candidates shortlisted in the mechanical is 62 and the cutoff for general 816. Definitely it's higher side, very surprising. Generally the cutoff for civil branches remain high in PSU, but here you can check mechanical also there's high cutoff is there, 816. OBC NCL 690, SC 514, ST 412 and EWS 816 is the cutoff is there. Similarly, you can also check for the ENT discipline. So system discipline general 804, OBC NCL 701, SC 570, EWS 802 is the cutoff. So guys, they provided the complete cutoff for all the domains. So those students who want to apply for ENT, cutoff is also there, and similarly you can check system cutoff is there, and for ENT the cutoff is mentioned here. So ENT cutoff you can check there. The cutoff for ENT general 687, OBC NCL 543, SC 444, EWS 643 and PWD 310. So guys, those students who shortlisted, definitely congratulations to all of you. Those students who missed the list, try to explore the other opportunities. Rest we will share this PDF in Kuldeep_PW Telegram channel. Stay connected there. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.